Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I look like a broadcaster or like a newscaster. Yes. I just got home from work, so I'm wearing my blazer. Anyway, I just got this in PR. Literally got home. I'm going to show you my Boxycharm by Ipsy box. I am no longer subscribed at the moment until they start coming out with some better stuff. I'm going to use what I have first. If you want to sign up for any of the Boxycharms, Boxycharm by Ipsy, Ipsy Glam Bag, Icon Box, link down below to get some. I get a little bit of money. You get to save a little bit of money. So, first, and I did not do spoilers. I'm still like on the fence if I'm going to do spoilers eventually, but I'm been busy. So, first, this is from Formula Z. Packaging is pretty cool. This is a Pretty Magic Shadow Palette. This looks really pretty, and it is vegan and cruelty-free, and has the shade names here. The only thing is, I'm gonna put on the screen what this looks like to me. I don't like this acrylic packaging. It just always looks pretty cheapy to me. That was really pretty. But the shades, I thought were kind of at first, but they actually are smooth and creamy. I thought they were gonna be kind of powdery. I wish this was like a mirror in here, but whatever. I probably don't think it's worth the money. If it's more than like, I don't know. How much would you pay for this? Let's be honest, everybody. Let's be honest. How much would you pay for this? The shades do look really nice, though. It is more of a warm toned palette, but there are some nice pinky browns and warm browns. But yeah, I do think it's kind of cheapy looking. But these are nice looking shimmers. Let me do a little swatchy-roo. I don't have any of my lighting right now, but there is some sparkles to it. There's a little bit of a shift. You can definitely build these up. This is not, there's no primer on my hand, nothing like that. But so not the best, but not the worst for sure. And then we have from Tarte, this is a full-size mascara. The Tarte Platinum Lights Lashes Camera. The Platinum Mascara. I have not tried the Lights Camera Lashes in, I don't know, not 10 years, but like a little bit less. I do like some of Tarte's mascaras. It is vegan, and I believe it's supposed to be, it has like conditioning stuff in it. It's supposed to be like a serum / mascara, so we'll see about that. There's the wand. And then I'm wearing this right now, actually. I do like the packaging. I don't know, the canvas and more organic-y kind of packaging. This is from Maison Louis Marie, number 4. I can't describe. It has like this clean, kind of fresh, but not like cleaner scent. Like laundry, like it doesn't have a lemon to it. Oh, 1% for the planet, but it does smell, I don't know. I can't describe it, but it does smell really nice. And then from Huda Beauty, this is the Easy Blur Primer, silicone-free smoothing primer. I thought I was gonna have like silicone, but I don't see any silicone, no cones in here. So that's pretty cool. They have like a soft matte, kind of like NARS-y feeling, but NARS is not cruelty-free. And I only talk about cruelty-free and vegan products. So that's cool. And then last but not least, I don't think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to give it to a friend or a family member, because I have a lot of lip oils right now, and I don't really use a lot of lip products, to be completely honest. I don't go through them. This is the Glow Girl Cosmetics lip oil in the shade Literally, and at first I thought it was going to be that shade, but it's not. I think it's clear, and the smell's nothing to write home about. It's not bad, but I thought it was going to be that color, which would not be a shade I would use, but kind of smells chemically. Yeah, not the best scent. There's the doe foot. So yeah, I'm going to be giving that to a family member, because I have enough lip oils and lip balms and all that kind of stuff. So let me know, would you have picked these items? I did not make any of these selections since it's a PR package, but I'm going to try to get this up as soon as I can. Sometimes I get this late. Today is June 4th, but yeah. And let's see, sneak peeks. Beauty Bible. Is that Carly Bible? Is there only a few shimmers in there? That palette that no one's talking about. I'm not being mean, I'm just being completely honest. A YS Beauty Triple Fix Skin Tint Blurring Foundation Stick. Drunk Elephant Bright Drops, or Drunk Elephant Be Goldie Bright Drops. They've been putting a lot. I do like some stuff from Drunk Elephant. I do think it's kind of overpriced, to be completely honest. And then they're doing some type of mystery bags. So yeah, but those are the items I got in my box. Let me know what you chose. If you do subscribe to Boxycharm by Ipsy or any of the Boxycharms, And maybe I'll do spoilers for July. Let me know if you're interested in those. If so, I will do it. If not, I might not do it. So yeah, as always, stay safe, healthy, always do something that makes you happy. Don't feel like you need to buy things because they're new and shiny. Look within your collection and see if you already basically own those items, and also use what you love and what you have already. And subscribe if you enjoyed this video.